Hey guys, and thank you for joining me here on Product Perspective. So today, as you can already tell, we're looking at some headphones. These are about $160 on Amazon, give or take. I got a good price on them and thought I would try them out. They are the JBL Live 650 BT noise canceling. So let's get in here and see how good they actually are. Okay, so first of all, just on the outside here, you can see that it has Alexa built in and Google Assistant built in, Bluetooth, 20-hour battery, active noise canceling, and they seem like they're pretty highly rated. So let's get in here and see what it looks like. JBL always seems to make their boxes pretty nice and just like you're getting something quality. And this is definitely same thing here. Just show the box here. All the sides, it looks like, and looks like it slides out the bottom. Just like that, black box. Oh yeah, and here you go. So the infamous orange cord, like always, they always have the nice orange cord, just mini USB. And okay, we also have a braided 3.5 millimeter headphone head jack here. And it looks like this is actually, I forget what you call it, but that's the small and here's the big. So I'm guessing this actually just takes the small end. And they feel pretty nice. I mean, they feel pretty nice. They're not super heavy, so definitely not something crazy there, but definitely a nice feeling headphone. And right there, left and right. As you can tell, they don't fit and they do pull out. Okay, so see right here, and that is metal, so that's nice. You can pull some out there and some out there. And that works. And they're very quiet. Like, they are very quiet right now. So that's something good to hear when they seal well. And they're not super comfortable. I don't mean like uncomfortable, but the top here is just a little bit hard, and as you can see, it kind of goes all the way around. And these are just kind of a harder, but definitely nice feeling. They're not like a super soft, but definitely comfortable. They're not like uncomfortable. And definitely built nice. You have your mini USB right here. You have your up and down. I'm guessing this is your noise canceling. Yep, you can see it bleeping. I'm guessing that's on, and then off. Oh wait. That's actually power. Over here, I'm guessing that's noise canceling, Bluetooth button, and your jack to do a straight wire. So let's put them on and see what it does. That little button slides and it actually turns it on. Wow, and power is on. Trying to connect, so I'm gonna get my top shot, which is actually my phone, stop recording, and we'll get it connected and see what it sounds like. Yeah, I mean, the noise canceling seems to be pretty good. Let me turn it back off. JBL Live 650 BTS noise canceling. So same name as it is on the box. And let's get some tunes on. So first thing I want to say, the bass is incredible. Just the first thing I want to say. Bass is incredible. Wow. But the bass on this thing is very top notch. And you do get it to fold in. I just noticed that, so that's cool. Okay, so the bass actually goes down when you turn on noise canceling, so that's kind of interesting. Usually they kind of go up, but this time it actually went down. Okay, noise canceling off. Let's try it again. Okay, so yeah, I mean, the sound it's great. I mean, it's actually incredible. Very top notch, high bass, very crisp, clear sound. So under here, we have a nice bag here. And it looks like we have our manual, our Google Assistant, manual, and that's about it. So that's about it that you get in the box. And honestly guys, I actually am very happy about this. I haven't used better headphones. I mean, definitely, I would say AirPod Pros are definitely maybe a little bit crisper, but definitely not as much bass, that's for sure. But definitely these are really nice. So my review is I love them. I mean, I actually do. Like, I really like how small they are and how well they fit around my ear. They're definitely not as comfortable as I've felt, just because they are a little bit stiffer. Maybe they'll cushion out after a while, but they're definitely a nice feeling set of headphones, and I'm very happy. So thank you guys for watching. I'll have all the links down in the description, and make sure you guys go check those out, and also go check out my social media links. Make sure you consider subscribing if you like this video. Give this video a like, and again, these are awesome. So I'll see you guys back in another video.